Welcome back everyone. I hope you are doing well. I just wanted to share my hibiscus rose body wash recipe. This body wash is made with non-drying cleansing agents and it smells amazing, and the ingredients that I used will help draw moisture to your skin. So this is really good, especially if you have dry skin. So I'm going to show you step by step how I make this. So let's jump right in. And if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos. I'm going to weigh out my xanthan gum and vegetable glycerin. You can use any other thickener that you like. There's guar gum, there's HEC. Any thickener that you want to use is fine. All the measurements and ingredients will be listed in the description box as well. Next, I'm adding in my surfactants. I'm using 2 surfactants. I'm using desoglucoside and cocoa betaine. If you don't have any of these surfactants, you can also use Castile soap, but you would not be able to pH balance Castile soap. For my oil, I'm using my hibiscus infused oil. I'm really using this just for the color. I infused the dried hibiscus flowers in some grapeseed oil. You can infuse however you like, but that's the oil I'm using for this recipe. Also, all the information for the online classes will be in the description box. If you want to sign up, the registration link is there as well. I'm also using some vitamin E oil that's going to nourish the skin, and I'm using my rose essential oil, and that's what makes this body wash smell amazing. So in this recipe, desoglucoside acts as an emulsifier, so it's going to help combine your water and your oils together, so that way you don't have any separation. If you don't use desoglucoside, then you would have to use another emulsifier like polysorbate 20 or sunflower lecithin. So I'm going to start combining my water-based ingredients, starting off with my distilled water. I'm also going to add in my propendile. This is a great humectant and it's going to make your body wash even more moisturizing. And to my water mix, I'm going to add in my xanthan gum and vegetable glycerin mixture. So you want to mix your mixture until it's slightly thickened. You don't want to over mix. I did this for about 20 to 30 seconds. And to this, I'm going to add in my surfactants mixture, and I'm going to mix it all carefully so that way I don't activate too much lather. Next, I'm going to check the pH of my mixture, and I like to keep my body washes between 5 to 6. So this was at 8.91. I just added in a few drops of my citric acid solution, and I have the video linked in the description box. And this dropped the pH down to 6.03, and I was happy with that. And I added in my Optifen preservative. You can use any preservative that you like. Feel free to make changes that work best for you to this recipe, and this is what my consistency looks like. If you want a thicker body wash, just adjust your thickener. I'm going to go on and package this up next. And the hibiscus rose body wash is ready. The lather of this body wash is so good and it feels very moisturizing on your skin, and the best part is it smells amazing in the shower. So let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions, reach out to me there. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe. Please turn on your notifications so you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And also please like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.